I think given this whole season is about marketing content creation, somewhere where people often really get stuck around what to post, what to do, how do I do it, how do I
Yeah.
elevate it? I thought, yeah, well, we thought today would be a good opportunity to talk about how to really harness AI to level up your marketing and content. So
Yeah.
I think it's a wild time to be alive
Oh,
because they happen, really instantly. So it's a really great time to harness it. And I think that was probably one of the key messages from that conference is to harness it. Like I don't
yeah.
think if you're smart about it, it's not about it replacing you. But if you can harness it, you can grow so much faster than ever before. I thought to dive in today on how we use AI in our businesses and what we've seen our clients doing that can assist with your marketing and content creation.